Today, the topic is perception, definition, and types. We'll discuss about perception. First, discuss about the meaning of perception. Meaning of perception. Perception is the organization, identification, and interpretation of the sensory information in order to represent and understand the environment. Perception means sensation plus meaningful interpretation. In other words, perception provides meaning and awareness to a particular sensation. First, ऑब्जेक्ट को ऑर्गेनाइज करिवो, देन आइडेंटिफाई करिवो व्हाट इज इट करेक्ट और इज इट इनकरेक्ट, देन इंटरप्रिटेशन करिवो, देन सेंसरी इंफॉर्मेशन सेट करिवो, देन रिप्रेजेंट करिवो. व्हेन यू आर अंडरस्टूड, is this a object or subject? That is the meaning of perception. It is a one type of awareness to a particular sensation. Sensation is more an acquaintance with the stimulus, but perception is contributes a clear knowledge about the stimulus. So perception has been included under cognitive. This means knowing aspect of mind. Perception means the clear knowledge about the stimulus or the environment. For example, you see a big bird like object flying in the sky. This is sensation. When you attend to it and say that it is an aeroplane, it became perception. Sensation is not clearly introduced the subject or object. Whenever perception is become the clearly introduced the subject or object. That is the meaning of perception. First, तुमे गोटे बड़ पक्षी देखिल, लाइक दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट परिका उड़ुची. दिस इज सेंसेशन. इट इज नॉट ए पर्टिकुलर मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हेन यू अटेंड टू इट एंड से दैट इज एन एरोप्लेन, तुम्हें तापर ताकू भाविल कि एटा होची एरोप्लेन. इट बिकम्स ए परसेप्शन. There is another meaning. When a person has a stimulus, he gets a sensation. It may be sensation of vision, smell or sound. When he tries to go ahead and add knowledge to this sensation by the help of experiences and clearing, it becomes perception. This meaning is provide past experiences of learning. It became a perception. Knowledge about this subject or object. It may be smell or sound. Then definition. Tishner has defined perception as a complex or sensory imaginal elements. By this, he implied the perception is always built of complex experiences out of sense impressions and characteristics and qualities supplied by the mental activities. ଟିସନରଙ୍କ ମତ ଅନୁସାରେ ପରସେପସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ସେନ୍ସୋରି ଇମାଜିନାଲ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଯେଉଁଠିକି ଆମେ ଆମର ସେନ୍ସୋରି ପାୱାରକୁ, ଆମର ସେନ୍ସ ଅର୍ଗାନକୁ ଇମାଜିନେସନ୍ କରିକି କାମରେ ଲଗାଇଥାଉ. ଇଟ୍ ମେ ବି pictorial imagination, it may be symbolic imagination, like this. Then type of perception, here is there are 6 types of perception: vision perception, perception of hearing, perception of touch, perception of smell, perception of taste. Other type is social perception. Then ESP. We'll briefly discuss about the visual perception, experiencing the world through human eyes. Visual perception is throughout of human eyes. Without human eyes, visual perception can't move very fast. Then another is the perception of sound. Hearing perceive sound by the detecting of vibration. जोटा आम आम ऑडिटरी बा हियरिंग सेंस ऑर्गन द्वारा परसीव करछे जो वाइब्रेशन हो कि साउंड हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड परसेप्शन ऑफ साउंड बा हियरिंग. देन अनदर इज परसेप्शन ऑफ स्पीच. स्पीच परसेप्शन इज द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच द साउंड्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज आर हर्ड एंड इंटरप्रेटेड एंड अंडरस्टूड. देन अनदर टाइप perception of touch, the process of recognizing object through touch. जो प्रक्रिया माध्यम आम आउटसाइड ऑब्जेक्ट को धरी थाउ ताकू आम टच परसेप्शन बोली कहि थाउ. इट इन्वॉल्व्स ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सोमाटोसेंसरी परसेप्शन, patterns on the skin and surface, like this structure. And another perception of taste. Taste is the ability to perceive the flavor of the substance, like this. The one type of flavor is mango, it may be sweets. This type of perception is manipulated, how the flavor of mango, how the flavor of tomato, how the flavor of jackfruit, like this. Other type of perception of body balance, gravity, position of the body parts, temperature, pain, time. Then another one is social perception. Social perception is the part of perception that allows to people understand the individuals and groups of their social world, and thus an element of social cognition. It also may be a group of individuals or other groups of society people that like a social perception. Then another is extrasensory perception, name is called ESP. ESP involves reception of information not gained through the recognized physical sense but sensed within their mind. First, information gained through then the physical sense but sensed within the mind. First, you information not gained, it is extrasensory perception such as speech and body language. Gain information about object, location, physical event, like this.